My people, Editorial don't read finally come outside to give us all the updates of her children. Yes, her children update about her children test. Me, pardon me, I don't already take my evening, but I want to go rest. I say no, me I could film this video so that I can edit and I will publish on tomorrow morning. Yes, Editorial don't finally come outside. Clear the hair, say her children not be sickler. But me now come if we still they look into this detail. Where sickler children no be say na sickness. Now wetin the children just see for body. Pikin na sickler. Now wetin she get see for body. And all those things when we see they talk, so you know say some couples they go do text before they marry. At the end, they'll come find out say no be as the test be, no be so it be. Why will the commenters they draw this issue? Yes, Editorial, as she come outside to clear the hair for me, I don't blame her. She do it well and she do it the right way, you know, to clear the hair, say, make the matter come up for grant. Now they say, reactor, now they make this issue, they drag. But commenter, since when UK family come outside talk and Editorial, we see say the private their video, me Naija Daughter, I not come make any video, I just let it go. But why commenter now? Oh, if we even see anything now, our job say something pass, we want to talk about her. Anything do, we want to talk about her now our job. But some of our daddy, our brother, our sister, our auntie, okay, all those people, there be two sisters when they make mistake to break their, you know, person how they pray. We don't know who be the next. It can be me, it can be you. You understand? Say just bring this their ugly part to social media. Then they say make the letter the thing finish. Now say they comment about sickle cell. Sickle cell for Europe now. Glory be to God. Say if you dey pregnancy 4 months, they feel they discover and say the child not dey normal, blah 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 blah. But sickle cell for abroad, they be first citizen, first citizen. Some children when they did that show, if they come across those videos, mostly those when they Africa, when they lack of and love, when they lack of treatment, when they pass through a lot. You get one video when I make about sickle cell, the girl come out and say if your husband are SS, the other one are SS, me not ever marry. Say since when she born, since she become adult, so say that also pain she they pass pain. Say she they pass too much pain a lot. Okay, imagine that kind of adult and I come across those kind of video. Your children are sickle cell. Your children, what is this, my people? I know, so I not see blame commenters now. The what I want put on now. Now devil, as UK family really talk, say now devil, you know, when she they reverse her courts, you know. Now wait till we they read the pray, say make a temper not bring us, make temper not push ox. You know, I wish UK and her sister not get argument or they not quarrel or they not bring their self come outside on social media. I don't believe anybody go they talk about them. Nah, it still do the children where the children don't know their blog group, you know, your husband are AA, you na AA genotype. Then O plus. Me, I be O plus. So yes, O plus can donate blood for all everybody, anybody. I mean, they don't invite me for this France. France don't leave me. Now they want pay me. Yeah, not true. O plus. They go they invite you. By they go they invite you. Well, shall depend of your children. French people, they see they invite, say, may you come donate. Who understand, you understand. When I don't mind, I don't tire. I don't cook tire today. I don't tire, but I need to film this video. Waiting or mind all the nyanga when they do for this social media. Wait till you learn from inside. We pray, oh, may our loved one not bring our matter come up online and come and clear the hair. Oh, I need to clear this part. Make people not feel saying so I really be. Now I just draw those issues like this. Wait till I really learn about this whole issue of UK family show and Editorial her sister. Nobody packs your sister. Now only your sister will come outside. You go say, this my sister and a bad person. People will believe instantly. If friends still come outside, say, this my best friend now, this, now that. People will just look, say, now friends. But when your sister come outside, you throw away one bomb. Everybody will believe. Oh, not true. Oh, it's possible. You know, that is why when Editorial see this comment again, nobody they play with children. Nobody they play with her children. That is why she see this comment again. Say, I need to pick race to go and do this test so that may I clear the hair. Nobody say tomorrow can't reach. Now nobody knows tomorrow. When she don't know where her children go work reach, then they will just say, this sickle cell. When they go over do test, maybe mama won't young like this now will come. They say, they say, that God forbid. And if you are a sickle cell child, you find yourself like that. Don't let this our video break you down. Don't let this our video they make you feel bad. God love you and God have reason for bringing you to this world. Okay, Editorial, as you don't reply, don't bring all the results. We all don't see them. May not let this issue die down. Okay, May una let this issue die down. May you and your sister UK family show, may una come together as one. They say if they go fit choose family, if person dey God, when God dey create you, go say choose any of your family, you go dey choose. They no dey choose family. God dey mix, you know. Nobody go just say my family is perfect now, big liar. God get reason why they bring. He go carry the ugly, he go carry the beauty, he go carry the needle, he go carry this one, he go join am into one family. Then una not get where una go wrong go. Then una must still come back. If una who do like this, do like this. No family when they for no they fight. No family when misunderstanding no dey. No family when they don't see they argue. Yes, now who come outside and I say, ooh, sister and sister, brother and brother, nobody. Let this whole issue, editorial, me they use this my medium to send you message. Let this whole issue, let am come up for your mind. Other man, you don't even do this test. Some no co-head, some coin head. They go still they say, nah lie, you lie. Some go still they say, if you will talk and your sister, maybe you not no, no mention anything. Let it die down. What I talk? Let it die down. Okay? Celebrate your mom. I celebrate with you, grandma gift. I celebrate your 100 something thousand subscriber. I see the silver when YouTube sent for you. More win, more win, more win. I celebrate with you. Okay? Please, our sisters, UK family, I know you don't already stop and you will ask us to delete our video, a bit to private our video. No, not worry um about those videos when we carry from our side. Okay, if they our side is good, may it still be lesson to any one of us. Okay, it can happen to me tomorrow, you understand? Everything what we dey do on this earth and Lexi, it can be me tomorrow. Then anytime I remember that video, if I want to open mouth talk, I go dey count my words to utter. I know say if temper don't come, person not they remember again, but we pray make that kind of temper, make God take it out of us. Okay, as far as say editorial don't already do her children test, I believe say many of folks don't see editorial two beautiful daughters, say they are not sickle cell. If they ever, God forbid, I cannot even pronounce her, if something like that, we don't even get right to judge. We are not a God, we not be God. Now God they bring children to people the one that they look for children, when they look for one, when they say let me just hear say child cry, they make meow. Now you see person, oh say if they sick, you can't know. All those children say there be special children for the world. Mostly developed country, there be special children. They know they use them, they play. One another they say sickle cell. You not try them. They come first. They pamper them. They take care of them. Now only the pain when they pass through. Now they make person had a break. When you will see something like that, maybe your husband, your man, or your boyfriend, or your fiance, you will quick crazy. Apart from that, for this Western world, those special children, in fact, they be the highest. If you reach, you know, read this my state, it dey, but their house not rebuild. France, say France, come. If you dey come, if you go grass the Jew side, if you see special children houses, you go, in fact, you go Dombale, you go, if you, in fact, no be person they pray say may person. No, if you they watch me, come across this my video. I no advise you make you marry you na I be AX or SSS. I no advise you. I beg you, kono. I no advise you. It dey very bad. Now when it come, you don't know. And now those kind when they talk, you don't know, or maybe una do test. The test come no be as una think something like that. Now they talk. Say you just open this your eye. You say na love. The pain when the children they pass through. You the mother not the pass through. I beg. I use God beg you now. Okay. Many of us when they say sickle cell children. If you look their hearts, when before old people, they are the when France add, they are the first people when France look into them, then they add to their money. They are the first citizen. Now wait till our country never develop rich like that. Okay? If you be sickle cell and you, I still repeat them again, no feel bad. Now the condition when you find yourself. Remember, I say people love you. Everybody love you. Me, I love you. Okay? No feel anything bad. We are the same. We are now just sickness. Now just not be saying now you go outside, now you go carry and no, they born you with it. Okay? They born you with it. No be your fault. No feel bad. Don't feel pain. No accuse your mom. No get hatred for your mom. No get hatred for your dad. Something it already happened, don't happen. Now this one get to talk. UK family, you be senior. They say when someone picking not know, senior go know. Okay, you be senior. Call your sister, may not come together. Maybe you and your sister make video together. May not forget shame, may not forget ego, may not forget pride. Okay, call your sister as your junior sister. Now misunderstanding that cost all those things. Okay, tell her say you love her. As I know, say you be Christian. You know, say Christians they talk. We're not supposed to keep mileage so that God will hear our prayer. When I don't keep my list. Now this video I just say I still do since I never do any video. But I still say editorial, I don't clear the hair, break her children picture, come outside. I need to talk. That is my business. That is my work. this is the work of the channel. Until you get to think, as Editorial come outside, bring her children evidence come out, you feel say she not supposed to do am, or you feel say she do the right thing. For me, I feel say she do the right thing because the thing don already dey social media. As she clear the hair, is good. People come know say her children no be okay. Glory be to God. My people, all my supporter, all my supporter, I appreciate you now. As now they watch my video, may the good Lord continue to bless you guys. In fact, I'm loyal, I'm humble. Please, if you be the supporter or the commenters, if you be the one when they support us, okay, please drop love comment. You see now, comment push Editorial like this, so maybe they drop love comment. With love, everything is possible to me, okay? With love. Now, who they there? And I don't mind you. I just put this YouTube. I say YouTube, not distress family. YouTube, not distress sister. YouTube revenue. See what you dey cause? Revenue. Now see what you na dey cause? Now revenue. Now revenue. Okay now. I hope my voice loud because here night don't reach. I need to lower my voice so that I not disturb anybody that is sleeping. I'll see you in my next video. Oh, my commenter. My comment with love.
We don't cast. Last. Now everybody go to breakfast. Shayo.